All right, so like my instinct is to look to camera. 9 years of being on The Office, you're like, hey, am I doing a talking head? No. Okay, yeah, I will. Okay, quick cut, I know. This would be. Exactly. That's more my character. All right. So I have wanted my own workspace for a while, somewhere at home where I can go and write and work on projects, maybe work on a little Office Ladies podcast. And one of my fans said, you should get a she shed. And then one of the followers of mine on Instagram was like, you should get a That's What She Shed. And I was like, that's it. I want a That's What She Shed. And our house is an older house. We can't add on to it. We don't want to move. This is what's happening. I'm gonna get a she shed. I was like, this is what I want to do. And then the lovely folks at Tough Shed were like, Angela, we make a pretty fantastic shed. And I was like, I know, I own a Tough Shed. I was trying to think if I could trick out that Tough Shed, but it's right by the pool equipment. So I sort of like would be sitting there trying to write and it'd be like, gang, gang, gang. I can't write. I can't work like that. So then I was like, no, maybe I just need a whole new shed. And they were like, Angela, we have a shed for you. And I was like, let me see it. And then I came to the factory and now we're here. Pressure. We are pulling up to the Tough Shed factory. And I went online last week and I picked out the one I like, but I'm gonna go check it out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm yelling. People are trying to work here. I'm sorry. It's very exciting. Tough Shed's very exciting. Hi, Tough Shed people. Good morning. This is Justin. Justin, is this my whole shed?
Yes, it is.
And you're about to unload it?
Yes.
Okay, so they just said that the walls are coming next. Oh my God, it's happening. It's really happening, Junior. It's really happening. It's really happening. Hey, I gotta go. My shed's almost done.
I know. You gotta go see it. Will you send me a picture?
I will. Here we go, here we go. Stop it. It is amazing. It's my she shed.